Good afternoon, everybody. I have decided that I can't use the matte medium. It has something to do with what's pulling up the ink. I'm not happy with that, but it's pulling it off of everything. The Mod Podge I have used for ages doesn't seem to do that. And while I prefer the matte medium because it dries a little faster, I'm going back to Mod Podge because I really don't like the grunge that now I like grunge, but I don't like the grunge that the Liquitex matte medium is making. So we're gonna go ahead and just make our collage for today. We'll see if that helps the problem. I hope so. day 5 of the 100 Days project. Let me bring you in where you can see it a little bit better. And I don't like that the Mod Podge is warping the watercolor paper, but at the same time I like it better that it's not getting muddy. So I don't know if it's the type of matte medium or just what, so I may have to do some more research on that. I can't seem to find any answers as to why this is doing what it's doing. So let's find a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity. And there you go. You connect yourself to the viewer by sharing something that is inside of you that connects with something inside of him or her. All you have is your guide. All you have as your guide is that you know what moves you. Stephen Burst. Okay guys, have a great afternoon. Go make some art. Bye-bye.